Okay guys, I told you the next video I'm going to be posting for you Predator nuts out there, and sci-fi fans, this is going to be my Predator daggers that I created, a knife and dagger actually. So I 3D printed these. This is when I was first learning how to do 3D printing. I'm totally self-taught. I have not taken any lessons or anything. I've watched a few videos, but I've done a tremendous amount of experimenting more on my own, trying to do stuff. So this is my knife, my Predator knife. I haven't finished painting the hilt, but the blade is out of metallic PLA, copper, which is really, really cool. Came out really nice. We can get some light going across it. Again, I'm very much into distressed looking items more than I am anything else. You can see right here the blade, and then the bottom of it has kind of an interesting, I don't know, it looks like a tooth actually. So I need to do some finish work on it and paint a few things a little more, but overall that came out really, really nice, and it's in multiple pieces, of course. Same thing with the dagger. The dagger I did out of a silvery metallic PLA, and you can see how metallic-y it is. So all I have to do is just paint the hilts a little bit, add a little bit of black wash to them. I think they would look really, really nice. Okay, so I'll set these side by side right next to each other so you can see them. There you go, guys. So you said you wanted a video of some of my Predator stuff and 3D props. So this is when I was first learning how to do 3D printing. And as you can see, it turned out pretty good. If you have any questions, please put them down. And please like and share my videos so I can grow my channel. Thank you for your time.